Hey everybody, welcome back to In the Kitchen with Chef Elaine. I'm so happy, you guys. I know I've been gone for a minute, but I'm back again. I have a wonderful treat today that we are going to be making. We are going to be making shrimp fried rice. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to make this. So right now for our ingredients, we want already pre-cooked rice that has been cooled down completely. We want some onions, some peppers, some minced garlic, some soy sauce, some corn, shrimp, and to season our shrimp, we're gonna be using black pepper, smoked paprika, onion and garlic salt, and we have our seafood seasoning. Let's get into it. This is nice, quick, and easy. You're gonna love it. Baby girl's already excited. All right, so I know it seems like a lot of shrimp, but for my shrimp lovers out there, my seafood lovers, and you be like, listen, that's not enough seafood, that's not enough shrimp, not enough lobster, not enough. You know, you take out as much shrimp as you want, but I know I love a lot of shrimp in my dishes, so I'm going to have a lot of shrimp just in case. And then, of course, there's always tomorrow for leftovers. All right, so let's go in. Let's make sure our shrimp is nice and clean and patted dry completely. Then we're going to go in there with some black pepper, some onion and garlic powder, smoked paprika, and then some seafood seasoning. This is going to give you the color. It's going to give you a hint of heat as well. It's so flavorful, this seasoning. I love it. Then, of course, you're going to go in with a nice clean hand and mix up all of that seasoning with your shrimp. Make sure everything is nice and coated. All right, so in a nice hot pan with oil, you want to add in your onions and your peppers. It's medium heat. Let that cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then you want to add in your minced garlic and your shrimp. Next, you want to add in your rice, already cooked rice. With some soy sauce. This is looking good so far. Last thing you want to add is your corn, just a little bit of chicken stock as well in there. Your corn and your peppers and carrots. Lastly, you want to add in your eggs. I just did it in a separate pan because my pan was getting just a little too crowded. And then add it in. Of course, salt and pepper to taste. But this is looking so good. I love how my shrimp fried rice came out. Let's go ahead and plate it up. I really wish you can smell the smell my place right now. Just the herbs melting, just the butter melting with the herbs. My place smells so great right now. Look at that beautiful steak. It looks so great. You see those minced garlic pieces that was in the compound butter. You see the thyme. You see a little bit of rosemary. You see the little bit of pepper flakes. Oh my gosh, we gotta try this because I am really, really looking forward to this. And oh, look at this shrimp fried rice. This looks so amazing right now. Let's go ahead and try this. Oh my gosh. Mmm. 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 Mm-hmm. Mmm. I got a shrimp in there. Mmm. So good. So good. Mmm. Let's try one of these steak. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. The creaminess from the butter. I taste the herbs. So refreshing. Mmm. So refreshing. Mm. Here you go, Mama. Small piece. It's so good. Oh, right? Baby girl approves. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Thank you for joining us today on my YouTube channel, In the Kitchen with Chef Elaine, to try these nice recipes. We have our shrimp fried rice, and we have our steak super simple recipe that we did for the compound butter. You can have a wonderful day. Bye.